Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate with Retool for building AI dashboards step by step clearly. In this video, we'll walk you through the process of authenticating with Retool to build your AI dashboards. First, navigate to the Retool website and log into your account. If you don't have an account, you'll need to create one. Once logged in, you'll be directed to the Retool dashboard. Next, click on the Resources tab in the sidebar. From there, select New to create a new resource. Choose the type of resource you want to connect, such as a database or an API. Fill in the necessary details for the resource you selected. This may include credentials like username, password, or API keys. Make sure to enable any additional settings required for authentication. After entering all the necessary information, click on the Test button to verify the connection. If the test is successful, you'll see a confirmation message. Click Save to finalize the resource setup. Now, return to the main dashboard to start building your AI dashboard. Select Create New and choose Dashboard from the options. Once in the dashboard editor, you can start adding components based on your data resource. Utilize charts, tables, and other visualization tools to represent your data effectively. Make sure to configure each component to use the authenticated resource. This ensures your dashboard pulls in the correct data for display. Lastly, adjust settings to suit your preferences, like layout and styling options. Once everything looks good, save your dashboard. Now you have a fully functional AI dashboard authenticated via Retool. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.